I was 6 or 7 when they began going to the Civil War. We had a big old pasture opposite, and I know they would bring the soldiers there and drill 'em. fourscore and 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth upon this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty, and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. Now we are engaged in a great civil war, testing whether that nation, or any nation, so conceived and so dedicated, can long endure. We are met on a great battlefield of that war. We have come to dedicate a portion of it, as a final resting place for those who died here, that the nation might live.
Make ready, present, fire!